In today's video, I'll show you how to automatically save passwords on Google Chrome, step by step. Let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser. Then, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. Now on the left-hand side, click on Autofill and Passwords. Then, click on Google Password Manager. Once you're in the Password Manager, look at the left sidebar again and click on Settings. Here, make sure to turn on the option that says Offer to Save Passwords and Passkeys. This will make Chrome show you a pop-up every time you log into a website, asking if you'd like to save the password. Also, make sure to enable Sign in automatically. With this option turned on, Chrome will log you in automatically using the saved password every time you visit a website you've logged into before. And that's it. Now Google Chrome will help you save passwords and sign into websites automatically, making your browsing experience smoother and faster. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.